Welcome back to Entrepreneurial. It's good to see business-minded people back with us. Since your last visit, we've been working hard to bring you more content tailored to your entrepreneurial needs. Here's what's new. Updated market feasibility studies on trending industries. Fresh insights into profitability and ROI for new business ideas. Advanced manufacturing processes and machinery setups for niche sectors. And don't miss our deep dives into various industries. We value your time, so we have only included key points that you need to know before starting a business. As you know, we also provide you customized, detailed project reports, Techno-Economic Feasibility Studies for startups and expansions, market research and consultancy to make your entrepreneurial vision a reality. Visit us entrepreneurindia.co to explore how we can assist you. Here are some of the upcoming business. How to start a profitable business with minimal investment. Emerging trends in various sectors. As a returning viewer, don't forget to check out our latest uploads and popular playlists. And do tell us what industries you'd like us to cover next in comments. Thank you for visiting us again. Contact us for more details.